Once upon a time, in a kingdom in a faraway land, the king called his best warrior knights for a dangerous duty. His daughter, the princess, was seriously ill, and only the rose-water potion could heal her. The princess lived in a faraway castle. The way to her castle was tough and full of hidden dangers. One thing was certain: they wouldn't all come back. The king told his knights that whoever brings the potion to the princess first and rescues her would become the first knight of the kingdom. They all took on the task bravely. Soon 5 knights hit the road to save the princess. They crossed the high peaks of Sharp-Blade Mountains. But Spouchy had bad news. Glass Knight was gone. He was very, but unfortunately, he never took drop tests well, Can Knight said. They walked on through the dangerous Spikes forest. Spouchy had more sad news. This time they lost Paper Knight. He was very brave, but he hated puncture resistance tests. They crossed the deadly Dry Bones Desert. With one less man, they bid farewell to Plastic Bottle Knight. He was very brave, but he was on a diet to lose weight, Can Knight said. They faced the last challenge before getting to the princess's castle, the Moor of Stone Trees, an impenetrable natural wall. Spouchy overcame this obstacle too, but he didn't want to leave Can Knight behind. So he told Can Knight he would send some soldiers for rescue. Can Knight thanked him and said, "You are very strong, thin and flexible, Spouchy." After going through the Dead Trees Moor, Spouchy came into the princess's presence, gave her the rose-water potion, and she woke up healed. After this deadly task, Spouchy and Can Knight looked awful. Can Knight told Spouchy he couldn't attend the ceremony like this, but Spouchy wasn't worried even a little bit, because he could recycle himself. Can Knight was disappointed in himself, for he needed way too much energy to be recycled like Spouchy. After saving the princess, everything was ready for the ceremony. Spouchy would be named as the first knight of the kingdom. Spouchy lived and became a living legend in our kingdom. And to this day, Spouchy still retains a part of the rose-water potion that once saved my life. The end.